Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chinnababu Sunkavalli. Today I will be talking about the cancer fighting foods, and let me tell you that food alone cannot protect you against cancer, but you are what you eat. So remember, what you eat makes what you will be. So a diet which is filled with vegetables, a diet which is full of fruits and whole grains, and also beans and some plant-based foods is something that will help you to lower the risk of many cancers for that matter. So there is a probable evidence that the foods containing the fibers, especially, they reduce the risk of cancers including colorectal cancer. So weight gain is not good. Overweight and the obesity especially increase the risk of at least 12 cancers in your body. So different cancers risk is increased because of obesity. So there is an evidence to say that non-starchy vegetables and fruits consumption decrease the risk of various cancers, including the upper airway cancers, the lung cancer, the oral cancers, the mouth cancer, the esophageal and the lung cancers, and of course the stomach and colorectal cancers as well. So fruit consumption is definitely useful. It reduces the risk of lung cancer and also reduce the risk of esophageal cancer and bladder cancer. So what are the foods that you need to limit? So healthy diet can definitely help in preventing cancer. Drinking alcohol is something that will increase the risk of many types of cancers. For example, the extent of drinking of alcohol is very important, and that also determines the types of cancers that one may get. The frequency of alcohol intake is important to know. So increased risk of breast cancer, esophageal cancer, and are seen in people, even those who take less than one drink per day. So the greater the alcohol consumption, the greater the risk of getting some cancers such as colon cancer, the liver cancer, and also the risk of getting laryngeal cancer is high for those with the alcohol intake which is more than one drink per day for women and more than 2 drinks per day for men. So any reduction in alcohol consumption will also help in reducing the risk of getting cancer. So the strong evidence which shows that the consuming of alcohol increases the risk for some cancers. For example, breast cancer, colorectal cancer, esophageal cancer, the liver cancer, laryngeal cancer, stomach cancer. All of these there is a strong evidence which shows that the risk increases, right? So there is similar evidence to say that the breast cancer, colorectal and liver cancers are also of more numbers in those who are addicted to alcohol. So there is enough evidence to say that processed food, especially taken on a continual basis, also increases the risk of colorectal cancers, and red meat consumption also increases the risk of colorectal cancer. So processed meat especially can increase the risk of lung cancer, pancreatic cancer, and also stomach and esophageal cancer. So limiting sugary foods, limiting the intake of energy drinks and sugar added sweetened beverages, if we can reduce, that is good for reduce the risk of cancer, and it helps you to avoid obesity, overweight, and also reduce the risk of getting cancer. Thank you so much for watching this video.